stands against an empire. Tragedy and friendship. The conflict between Lee Kang-tu and his best friend, Kunkuru is a focal point. They start as brothers in arms, but become bitter enemies due to their conflicting loyalties. Historical impact. It highlights the struggles of the Korean independence movement, making it very emotional for viewers.